Onwela onye bịara ịra gị like your customer kwụrụ gị ụgwọ unu ekwuchala price your client nọzi na process ọ nọ na-ara gị gị nwezi ezigbo feelings apart from o nyere gị ego ịra gị gị ga-enwezi feelings another feelings abata gị n'ime ọ bụrụ na the person everything about him ị ga-ara love zie ya o meela gị before na the business.
Unlike my boyfriend now, my recent boyfriend now.
Okay.
Oh, tight. Oh, what was going on? According to this, what was going on? One right down about doing oh, you want about so why not put this hand? So all from there, I feel now I like carry off for you. More like carry off. Oh, tight. So that now how. Oh, your child become my daughter. More fun to be out to become my
Daughter.
Oh, tight.
But the guy all along why? I was going to go along here.